Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Mr. Kunal here back with another video. The mid-range smartphone segment is brewing up with a lot of competition between smartphone companies. In this video, I will help you decide that among all of the competition, which phones come out on top and in which particular field do they shine the most. All of these phones are among the best that you can buy in this price range at this point of time. I will be ranking these phones on the four criteria that I feel are the most important to me in a phone. They are the display, performance, cameras, and battery life. Okay, so now we will be starting with the first criteria, which is the display. According to me, the Redmi K20 Pro comes first in this segment. The only reason why the K20 Pro wins is obviously because of its full screen display. I am not a fan of notches or hole punch displays, and I'm also sure that many will agree with me. In the next place comes the OnePlus Nord. The Nord has a great display with an AMOLED screen and a higher refresh rate of 90Hz. In the third place comes the Realme X3. This was a tough one to choose from. The Realme X3 comes with a higher refresh rate of 120Hz, which is almost unheard of in this price range. The only reason that it loses to the Nord is that its display is not an AMOLED screen. However, if you are not interested in AMOLED screens due to their burn-in issues, unlike me, this is a great choice for you. In the last place we have the Samsung's M31s. Now Samsung undoubtedly makes one of the best displays in the world right now. Unfortunately, this is not carried down to their mid-range smartphones. The M31s comes with a solid AMOLED screen. Unfortunately, it does not come with a higher refresh rate to give it an edge in this competition, thus putting it in the last place in the display category. Now the next category is performance. And under this category, the first winner is clearly the Realme X3. There is no denying that the Realme X3 is the best performing smartphone in this range. It comes equipped with Snapdragon 855, 6GB RAM, and 128GB of UFS 3.0 storage. In the second place, we have the Redmi K20 Pro. It comes equipped with a Snapdragon 855 processor, as it is the oldest phone in this comparison. You pair that with 6GB RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. The Nord comes in third place with its slower Snapdragon 675G processor and UFS 2.1 storage. A point to be noted that only the 6GB and 64GB storage options will be considered for this shootout, since that is the only Nord smartphone which actually fits in our budget. In the last place comes the Samsung's M31s. The slowest among the lot is the M31s with its Exynos 9611 processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So now moving on to the next category, which is cameras. And in this segment, the competition starts getting interesting. The OnePlus Nord shines the brightest here, flaunting its cameras, which are directly shared from the OnePlus 8, its elder sibling. It's got all the cameras you could possibly want on a smartphone. In the next place is the Realme X3. The only reason why I place the Realme X3 below the OnePlus Nord is due to the fact that the OnePlus Nord has got the OnePlus 8's camera, which has been tried and tested. In the third place comes the Samsung's M31s. The Samsung takes the lead over the K20 Pro because the K20 Pro has an older set of cameras which are not as up to date. Okay, now moving on to the last category in this comparison is the battery. In this case, there's a clear winner, which is the Samsung M31s with its huge 6000 mAh battery coupled with 25 watt of fast charging. The Realme X3 comes in second with its 4200 mAh battery and 30 watts of fast charging, followed by the OnePlus Nord, which has 4115 mAh battery with the same 30 watt fast charger. Now this was a very close call as both of the phones will provide almost similar battery life. In the last place is the Redmi K20 Pro with its 4000 mAh battery and 27 watt of fast charging. So it's finally time for the results, and you would have most probably already picked a winner based on the type of usage that you are planning to do. Before announcing the winners, if you enjoyed this video, and want more comparisons, be sure to hit that like button and click on subscribe. So that's it for this video. This is James from Mr. Connell signing out. I'll see you all guys in the next one.